Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And there has been quite a gap. Like of 6 days, I have not uploaded any videos, but I am doing it today. And I'm here to, to fill the gap of one more misconceptions you guys have. And that misconception is that people think, during the winter, our Earth is quite farther to the sun than in the summer, and because of that we have a winter, which is a very big misconceptions. Like you ask to a general people walking by in the road, or ask to a pedestrian, or ask to a student, school students, they're all going to reply the same answer. Because the sun and earth's distance increases during the winter, we have colder days, and we have also you have colder days, okay. But that's not okay, that's not the answer. We have a colder days in the winter because in the winter we receive the less sunlight per square meter because of the inclinations, okay, just because of inclination. And I'm not going to make you more clear from this, okay. Like just imagine, okay, imagine in the morning, the sun is at a distance, it is making a certain angle, okay, it is at the horizon, and because of that we receive the less sunlight at the surface, right? At the surface we receive the less sunlight in the morning, and because of that it's not very hot. But what happens at 12 a.m. or 1 p.m., like the sun is directly above us, and it's going to, and we're receiving lots of light per unit area, and because of that it's much hotter. The same analogy can be used in this as well. During the if you are in the northern hemisphere, during winter, what happens is that its face is away from the sun, and because of that, and it makes a quite of an angle with the sun, and it receives less sunlight. And because of the less sunlight per unit area, not less sunlight, okay, only less sunlight per unit area, it's the winter is going to be obviously very cold in the northern hemisphere, and just opposite happens to the southern hemisphere. And because of the amount of the sunlight that is being received by the land surface each time, okay. So that is the things that you need to keep on, okay. If you are not clear, I always leave a space for those students who wants to research, okay. So research or search a little bit, and when you think that, oh, okay, this was one of my misconceptions and I solved it, come back to my YouTube channel, come back to this video. Don't forget to click that like button, and at the comment section say yes, and then subscribe. I think at least that can be done by all of those people, okay. Thank you very much.